Now, Naveen says, we saw a correction in stock market recently. Do you think a bigger crash is on its way? And if so, how should we protect our gains and equity investment?
Uh, One is that we saw a correction and that everybody saw. The market did go down dramatically in a brief period of time, and then after that, it has also recovered quite a bit or recovering steadily. Uh, do I think a bigger crash on its way? No, not really. And I can promise you one more thing, that in the short period of time, nobody knows anything. Uh, because if somebody knew about it, one can have a broad hunch. One can have a broad sense that okay, market looks very one might be very uncomfortable with the market. Market may have gone up very dramatically, so a lot of people will be scared of being there. A lot of companies might be looking at a price which might look very rich, very rich valuation, because and there are some such situations. But I don't think, despite that, market goes up, things look expensive, and market continues going up. So it's very difficult to predict that in the short run. In the long run, you have to see that over the next 3 years, 5 years, do the company's earnings will go up even higher? Is there a is there a very compelling or pointer to a great speed breaker there? No. So I'm very confident about the potential of the market over this time period. But during this period, will there be companies which will actually go under? Yes. Will a lot of people?
But they'll always be there.
They will always be there. No, more so now, because many people will be buying those IPOs, which with hindsight, a period from now, 1 year from now, 2 years from now, will look stupid. That why somebody paid so much price for this IPO when it was not making money. But not right now, because still people are still deriving the comfort because the price has gone up, so they think that it is all right. I made my money. It doesn't matter whether the company makes money or not. So once the reality haunts you, once you have more realistic assessment of situation depending on the fundamentals, it's a different story. But for now, and that is why nobody knows. In fact, the riskiest bet might have proved to be more rewarding, and a reasonable bet, less risky bet, might not be as high performance so far. So I would say that it is a bigger correction or a steady rise from market or a dramatic rise from market. Nobody can predict that. So don't ask me that, and don't expect an answer from me ever. How should we protect our gains and equity investment? Yes, there is a way to actually protect your gains in equity market. Rebalancing. You should choose, if you're a long-term investor, you should still have some allocation to fixed income. Whether that be 25%, whether that be 50% is your choice. Then because the market has gone up, so your equity will, if you have chosen 50-50, then your 50 will actually become 60. And the 40 in fixed income has not gone down, but because the equity has gone up, it will become 60. You take a part of 60 of equity and realign it to 50-50. So you have booked some profit from the rising assets. Likewise, if the market comes down, your 50 in fixed income will become 55. That is also the time when equity has gone down, so you can take money out from fixed income and move into equity. So that is the way you should do it, in a marginal way. You should not do it in a knee-jerk way. Never attempt that you should be 100% into equity or 0% into equity, because that is a very dangerous thing. Dangerous thing on two fronts. One is that most of the market moves happen when you least expect it. So when you are out of it, when you are very scared, the big move will happen in a period of 1 or 2 days, 5%, 10%, 15%. The big move has happened, and then you will actually jump into it. Then the other problem is that if you try and time it like this, if you are substantially in and out of it, you will be too scared to get in when the market is most attractive. So it'll hurt you on both front. You will be out of the market when the market will make its big, will go up by will leap forward, and you'll be too scared to get into the market when it is the best time to invest, when it will all look very scary, and that is why you'll be scared. So don't attempt this.